Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you are a first-time watcher, then hello. It's nice to meet you. I'm Amanda. My husband Mike sometimes is in these videos, most of the time. Not today, unless he randomly shows up at home like he did the last time. But I am so excited because right now we are probably in Galaxy's Edge, or at least getting ready to be in Galaxy's Edge for the annual pass holder preview. So if you want to be notified when those videos come up from the preview, definitely don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, ring the little bell. I don't know, there's a bunch of random things that you can do on YouTube that make sure that you see our videos. But today I'm going to show you what we're packing for our bag for Disney World this time around. We are going from the 17th to the 19th of August, and we're literally going to have one full day in the park and then a couple of hours Saturday night, and that's it. So we don't have to pack a ton this time. We're bringing a carry-on bag, no checked bags or anything like that. And I can't wait to tell you guys all the details of what we're gonna do. But for now, I'm just going to show you what we are packing in that carry-on bag, and I'm hoping that as I'm packing this for you guys now, I can pack it in the smallest bag as possible so that we have to bring as little as possible for our one full day and a couple hours Saturday night in the parks. So let's get started. So first and foremost, we have like the clothes and the shoes and all that kind of fun stuff laid out on the bed. This is the dress that I'm going to be wearing for Galaxy's Edge. I just bought it specifically for this reason, and Mike picked out the shoes, and they're so cute together, and I can't wait to take 1,012 pictures in Batu, whatever it is. Galaxy's Edge. I cannot wait to take pictures in this. So I've got the heels and I've got the flip-flops. I'm also going to be wearing my sneakers down because I will probably wear those most of the time. But a girl needs to have options and comfort levels. So the flip-flops will probably go into our bag when we go to Galaxy's Edge in case my feet get tired in the wedges. So we've got the dress for Sunday afternoon, evening, and possibly the flip-flops. I almost just fell off the bed. And then I have 3 different t-shirts packed. If you haven't watched the haul video that I just posted a couple days ago, then definitely go give that a like because you'll actually see these. But this is that Monsters Inc. shirt, the Mickey shirt, and then our Ding Dang shirt from the Tim Tracker. And Mike has the same one, well, different style, same one that he'll bring as well. And then I'm just bringing a pair of gym shorts and a pair of jean shorts. So I'm currently wearing what I plan to travel in down to Disney and possibly wear Saturday night to the parks. I just got this brand new shirt. It says Cool Mom on it. I got it at Target. I couldn't pass it up. I had to get it. So I'll probably wear that with either I've got on my favorite pair of leggings that I got at TJ Maxx, or I'll wear those black shorts that I was just showing you guys. And I'm not really sure if we're planning on going straight to the parks. We do have some fast passes for Saturday night at Magic Kingdom. But I'm not sure if we're going to go straight to the park or if we're going to actually like stop in at our hotel room first, or just throw our bags at the bellhop and go as quick as possible. So that depends on a lot of things. But I'm either going to wear this to the parks and be a super cool mom and not a childless millennial that eats everybody's pretzels and cuts in line and all that kind of stuff, takes up all the fast passes. I don't know. I kind of keep up with current events. I don't know what's going on. So then Mike's stuff, kind of the same thing. He's got a pair of shorts. I don't think these are the ones he's going to bring with him, but for the purposes of this video, I couldn't find the pair that he probably will bring with him, so I just threw a pair of shorts to pack with. A pair of gym shorts, his Ding Dang shirt, his Mickey shirt, and his Star Wars shirt. So that gives him 3 shirts, me 3 shirts, options. You can take pictures of different things, etc. So some of the things that I didn't include with those clothing items packed out are just like, you know, socks and underwear and that kind of miscellaneous stuff that you don't necessarily need to see. So that stuff will get packed as well. But, you know, obviously know that we are bringing underwear and socks with us. So next is toiletries. And to be completely honest, I probably won't even bring some of this stuff on this side. But we'll start over at this side then. Toothpaste, obviously we'll have our toothbrushes. These I believe I actually got from Disney in the rooms once or somewhere else. These definitely were something I just got at a hotel. Our makeup removing wipes. I'm definitely just going to bring these to remove my makeup because I don't want to bring a whole bunch of extra stuff. So I've got 2 of those to bring. sunscreen, deodorant. Then I'll definitely bring my face wash as well, so that can go on the side. That'll definitely go. But then I've got shampoo and conditioner, and then like leave-in conditioner, which is this one, and some like some shining hair stuff. I will probably do my hair Saturday morning before we leave, and then Sunday I'll wear my hair cool in some sort of Galaxy's Edge theme, and then Monday it's just going to go up into a ponytail since we're traveling on Monday anyway. So I will probably bring these just in case I decide to shower, but I'm not sure if I'm going to actually wash my hair while I'm in Disney since it's only 2 nights, and I'll shower the morning that we leave. So for makeup, for foundation, I've got 2 that I'm not sure which one I'm going to bring, but I'll let you know when we're there which one I ended up bringing. The first one is this IT Cosmetic Your Skin But Better CC Cream. I like this one because it has the SPF in it as well. But it doesn't stay on my skin as well as I'd like it to, so I'm not sure if that's the one I'm going to bring or not, but I like that it's got the SPF in it. The other one that I'm considering bringing is this Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation Concealer. I really like this one a lot, so this will probably be the one that I bring, but I might bring the other one. I'm not sure. I'll let you know in future videos which one I brought. So next for eyes, I'm just going to bring my black gel eyeliner and the brush that it came with. When I actually do my eyeliner, I absolutely love how this works, and it comes off fairly easily as well. So the main thing that's most important is that I'm bringing this Tartelette in Bloom palette, and these are the colors that are inside of it. I've had this for a couple months now, and I don't wear makeup frequently, but when I do, like, this palette has been awesome. It's got a nice mix of shimmers and mattes, and I just really like how this one goes on. It's what I'm wearing today as well. So I'll actually show you what colors I used. I used the Flower Child and the Funny Girl all over, and the Firecracker, which is that gold one in the middle, and the Activist around the edges, and I just love how it came out. So that's what I'm going to be bringing for my eyeshadow, because it gives me a bunch of different looks in a small little palette. I actually just got this mascara a couple days ago, and it came with this little trial size one, which is actually why I decided to try it out. I usually use the Maybelline Paris, which is kind of the knockoff version of the Better Than Sex mascara, but I wanted to try this one out, especially because I had the mini one and I knew I wanted to pack as little as possible, so this will be coming with me as well. So as always, I'm going to be bringing this Smashbox lipstick. I got it in some sort of trial bag at some point, and I just absolutely love it. I love the color. It's what I'm wearing today. It's what I wear almost all the time, and it's going to have that perfect look that I'm looking for when I'm in Disney, to kind of have a bold lip, but it's not going to be like a bright bold lip. So I really like this. I have no idea what the color name is, so I need to bring this in and find like a full-size one, because when this runs out, I'm going to be so sad. Okay, so I took off my glasses so that you can see kind of the makeup that I've got going on in my eyes right now. And the lip color is, like, all the stuff that's on my face right now is what I just showed you. It's kind of my everyday makeup. It's simple, it's quick. I love it. It's what I'm going to wear when we're in Disney, and I'm just so excited. Okay, so now it's time to pack. I'm not sure which bags we're going to end up using, so I'm going to try to use the smallest size first, pack everything up, and then see how that happens and how that goes. I have a feeling we'll bring one of our carry-on bags, like our suitcase ones, only because Mike is probably going to want to build a droid, and I don't blame him, and I'm 100% okay with it. So we'll probably want that extra room for a droid, but let's see what happens. So some of the other things that we will pack with us, but we're not leaving for another week, so I can't pack them yet, is things like our phone charger, the camera charger, gosh, what else? The iPads, possibly my computer. I'm not sure if I'm going to bring my computer. Depends on if we have space or not. Not that I'll really need it, but just in case I need to upload any videos from here onto my computer to make more room. And then just kind of the miscellaneous, I'll probably bring a water bottle, rain jackets that we still have to buy. Hopefully we buy them soon. And I have a bag that I'm borrowing from one of Josiah's teachers for my Galaxy's Edge outfit that she's going to give to me next week. So those are kind of the miscellaneous things that I'm not going to pack in this video, but will be packed when we go. Before I put Mike's stuff in, I just wanted to show you that there is a lot of room, like right here. There's a couple of little spots here. I'm going to put Mike's stuff on top, but that's really good spaces to to put things like your socks, your underwear, phone chargers, cables, etc. are in these little kind of small spaces that you can't really fit anything else in. Those are perfect for socks and underwear and that kind of stuff. There's still plenty of room to put stuff in, which is great. And then I just put our deodorant in here, and then this is our bag of toiletries. I will also have my bag of makeup in here, which is the same size bag as this, but will be probably smaller anyway, so I'll be able to squish that. And that leaves us a ton of room to put, you know, like our phone chargers and that kind of stuff. I really wish that I couldn't find Mike's backpack, because I know that all of this would fit into our large backpack. I totally forgot one of the most important things that we have to bring for this trip. How could I forget about this? I have to bring Mike's Star Wars bag. So he'll wear this in the parks, especially when we're in Galaxy's Edge. This definitely should have room for my flip-flops. I don't see why it wouldn't. Oh yeah, so my flip-flops actually fit perfect in there. So that'll be good for throwing my flip-flops in, and then just like my wallet will go in here. My phone will probably go in here because I'll probably keep that. And then he's also got a couple of pins on here that are really cool, and we're going to put the rest of his pins on here. So stay tuned for that. And while I was at it, I figured I'd just show you the couple of pins that he does have from Star Wars on here that aren't the new ones. So he's got this C-3PO, this Boba Fett, the ones that came with the pack, or with the lanyard, and then this really cool Star Tours one. Now, I don't know if this is a scrapper or not, but I think it's really cool, so I don't even care. Like, I'm pretty sure I did this one for him because I thought it was really cool. And I gave him one of my own pins. So you're welcome, Mike. So this bag, I'm not sure if Mike will carry in the airport or not. And then obviously our pin stuff, I forgot about that. I'm not going to bring any ears this time because honestly, I just don't really have an outfit that I have ears to go with. And it's going to be hot and probably rain, and we don't have the stroller to put stuff in, so I just don't want to deal with ears on this trip. So even with Mike's bag laying on top here and putting the pins back there, putting my shoes in, there's still plenty of room in here that I think that we will probably bring an extra backpack just in case. But really, I think we can get away with just one bag and then the backpack with like the iPads and such in it that we can have obviously a ton of extra room in. I'm pretty sure that the droid will fit in here. If not, then he'll just be another carry-on item, and that's okay. Okay, so I think this is the end of the video. I'm not really sure. We're so excited to go on this trip, just the two of us. I know we just got back basically from a trip, just the two of us, but it'll be really nice to have some more time just us. And then in a couple of weeks, we're going to be going back with Josiah, and it'll be just the three of us rather than my mom coming this time. So it'll be nice to have a different dynamic as well, so that'll be really cool. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a nice big thumbs up. Let us know what you liked in the comments below, and let us know how short of a trip you've ever gone on before to Disney if you're not a local. You know, have you gone for a couple of days like this? Have you gone to an AP premiere before? We'd love to know all about it, and we'd love to chat with you guys in the comments or on Instagram at The Hides Do Disney. It might be here, it might not, but yeah, definitely like and subscribe and all that kind of fun stuff. Follow us on Instagram. Do all the cool things that cool people do on the internet nowadays. I don't know. I'm not one of those people. But we appreciate you guys watching this video. We can't wait to share all of our tips and tricks about Galaxy's Edge and about our tips and tricks for going for just a short time. So we will see you guys next time. Bye!